pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple AI application here. You have a lot of templates which you can use. All you have to do is just pretty much upload a clear image of your face, or if it requires you to upload a clear image of your full body, then so be it. But a very good application here, a lot of templates which you can use. As you can see here, all you have to do, just select whichever one you want to use. For example, let's say the free ones here at the top, you have the next chapter option here, which pretty much generates something similar to this here. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of your full body, of yourself, and pretty much create a video. So that's pretty much how you create this here. So very simple. And as well, it's not very expensive to create. It takes like one of these, I would say, credits. As you can see here, one of these credits, and I currently have 30 credits. So you do get 30 credits for free once you start using the application, and you can go ahead and purchase credits as well. So over here, you may see the subscription page. As you can see here, the pro subscription is pretty much different from the credits itself. Although you get 600 credits, as you can see here, for the pro monthly subscription, and the pro weekly subscription, you get 120 credits. Although you get credits, if you have used off all of those credits, you may need to purchase some more, because it's pretty much different. The pro subscription, or the subscription, unlocks the private or the pro templates, which you won't be able to use if you don't have the subscription. So for example, this one here, let me just go back. For example, this one here, which is pro, you're going to need a subscription to use those. Even though I have credits, I won't be able to use those because I don't have the pro subscription. So that's pretty much it for that here. So this is the video section. Down here you can tap on the photo section. You can see a lot of photo templates which you can use. And as you can see here, you have the hairstyle section, you have the training section. As you can see here, you can swipe across. Not just for females alone, you can do it for males. You can tap on this at the top here, which pretty much switch the genders. So here you have the male section. As you can see here, we'll only show male section here. And as well, if you do want it to just select the all genders option, then you're pretty much good to go. So all you have to do is just tap on whichever one you want to use, upload a clear image of yourself, and you're pretty much good to go. You get similar results like these. And as well, you can enhance your photo by just uploading a clear image of yourself here, and we'll give you the best results based on how you look. And everything that they have generated within the application, whether it be video, whether it be AI photo, it will be shown in the history section here. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see if I can help you guys. So without that said, guys, see you in the next one.